It's moving day! I am so excited! We're finally moving. We're moving to a new place, still downtown Toronto. We got pretty much everything packed up last night. We did the bulk of the packing, so we got a whole bunch of stuff in boxes, and Shauna's in the shower right now. We have family coming in the next hour or so to help us move everything out and into the new place. And also in a couple of hours we're picking up our couch. We got an amazing deal. We're getting this couch for free. I got it off of Kijiji, so like a buy and sell. We were originally gonna buy it from the guy, but him and his wife were like, you guys can have it free of charge. So I'm so excited about that because couches are expensive and I just can't wait to get in. So let's go. The final thing to pick up are our plants. Last day in the apartment. Empty. Totally empty. Found scissors. Yay, where were they?
The end of an era.
Oh, it's already.
Yeah.
Bedroom is looking nice and organized. This bag here in the corner is stuff that I'm getting rid of, a few clothes, but for the most part, we brought everything from our other place. Didn't really need to get rid of too much. And I got my beloved jelly cupboard back that I used to have in my bedroom when I lived back at home, but my mom brought this for me and I'm so happy to have it back. Hello, hello. We are finally all moved in. We have been here now for a couple of days. We've just been spending our time kind of just getting used to the new space and setting things up. Little things just organized and put up, pictures hung up. I also still have to put on the sofa legs for this sofa that we got. This is one that we got for free. I bought 4 of these sofa legs from Amazon to replace the metal ones that this couch came with. Sean and I will do that probably when he comes home from work tonight. We are just so happy with this space. It's a little bit bigger than our other place. Our other place was 365 square foot. This place is 650 plus a balcony. And just so much more light, and it's nice to have like a separate bedroom and a separate living area and kitchen as opposed to being in a studio. A lot of you have requested a home tour, which I plan on doing probably in the next couple of months once we're all settled in, so stay tuned for that. And that's about it for this little moving vlog. Thank you so much for following along. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I'll be sharing just more, you know, behind the scenes bits and bobs of all kinds of things, including our new space. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.